Ayan na, dalawa na ipaparaffle ko. So it's a type of bone marrow cancer. It is called multiple myeloma kasi it often affects several areas of the body such as spine, skull, pelvis, and ribs. Grabe, no? I have a client, yan yung kanyang concern. So eto, nag-inquire siya sa akin July 27, 2023. Tanong niya sa akin, pwede bang COD? Sabi ko, sir, pwede po. Ano po bang health concern niyo? Sabi niya, multiple myeloma. So, eto siya, ma'am. After almost finishing his first battle, eto sabi niya, ma'am, good news po, hindi ko pa nauubos ang isang battle ng Elixir. Medyo nawala na, masakit sa katawan ko. 80% recovery na ako.
Wow!
Effective talaga ang Elixir sa second. Coming from a person who has multiple pain in his body. Diba? Kung di ka naman talaga kumayo yung balahibo. Ito kasi, businessman. So, he's a very private person. Hirap ako pag-usapin. O tawagan man lang, ganyan lang siya, pa isa-isa lang siya mag-reply sa akin. Pero ito yung nakapag-cry sa akin sa Getty. Girl, kamusta na po after finishing his 6 months therapy? Ay, reply oh. Ba't ganun, sir? Tinatawagan mo daw kasi okay na po, ma'am, magaling na po.
Wow!
And it is on their way, naka-4 na set na sa akin to. Set of 7 plus 2 Elixir. Kasi buong family niya and yung mga trabahador niya is nagtitake na ng Elixir plus nila. Diba? Imagine that. Ikaw ay may health concern lang, gusto mo lang bumalik. Pero naging channel ka na rin ng blessing of health and wealth sa ibang tao. Because you are a testament. You are a product of the product. Ang sarap, di ba? Diba? You are blessed and to be a blessing through our product. Yeah. So another